Welcome to the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Phil here from DR Property Guys. We are in one of our favorite gated communities here on the north coast. We are delighted to show you a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa, which is set on a corner lot of just over 1,000 meters squared. This villa is set on a flat lot, so you've no difficult stairs to navigate, and that makes it very rentable, so it's a great investment. So let's show you around. And through this way to the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and direct access to the poolside terrace. And there are 2 further bedrooms behind me which share a bathroom. And here we have a very peaceful wraparound terrace with views straight to the pool and a jacuzzi. So for more information about this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa, you can visit us at drpropertyguys.com. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.